Now that we have everything painted, on this episode we'll focus on installing the front spoiler for my 911, the side diffusers, as well as the rear bumper and diffuser. So let's get started. Installing the front spoiler was pretty straightforward. I had to get my car up on a ramp so that I had enough room to hand tighten the spoiler. And once I got everything aligned, I was able to tighten it down with a Phillips screwdriver. I spent a little bit more time installing the side diffusers. I had to pre-install the brackets before I was able to bring it up on the car. And once I was able to do that, I just hand tightened the screws. And then once it was aligned, I tightened everything up to secure it. I had to take out a lot more parts compared to the front spoiler and side diffusers. So once I got the bumper off, I also took out the heat shields and painted them black. They were silver, and with the new bumper, because of the vents, it showed. So I wanted to kind of keep it a little bit stealth, so that way it looks a little bit more cleaner. So I took care of that by painting it black and put everything back together. It was fairly simple. I just required a little bit more work, but in the end I was very satisfied with how it looks. On the last episode, I talked about my garage and giving a small tour, so let's check it out. Coming up on the next episode, we have some exciting features. I finished shooting a car, so we'll do a feature car. And then I went to a couple of events with some friends, so we'll cover that. Well, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.